Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 5, Conclusion. In this chapter, we'll conclude our discussion of reporting tip income. In this lesson, we will take a look at other IRS publications that may be helpful when learning more about reporting tip income. In addition to the 3 IRS publications included with this course, you may be interested in the following: IRS Publication 17, Your Federal Income Tax, and IRS Publication 596, Earned Income Credit. There is also a telephone hotline especially for those who practice before the IRS. The Practitioner Priority Service is a nationwide, toll-free hotline that provides professional support to practitioners with account-related questions. The toll-free number for this service is 866-860-4259.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.